Welcome back to Social Science class. In today's class, we will see about a new topic, the ancient land of Tamilagam. Before going into the lesson, let us have a short recap from the previous lesson. Shall I ask some questions from the previous lesson? Okay. This is the oldest civilization. Mesopotamian civilization is the oldest civilization. Which was the first Indus city discovered? Harappa was the first Indus city discovered. Where was the Indus civilization found? Indus civilization was found in the banks of river Indus. What was used to make pots? Potters. Wheels was used to make pot. Which metal was unknown to Indus people? Iron was the metal which was unknown to Indus people. By which the dancing girl statue was made? By bronze, the dancing girl statue was made. Now we are going into the lesson. Already we have learnt about 4 ancient world civilization, isn't it? They are Mesopotamian civilization, Indus, Egyptian and Chinese civilization. Mesopotamian civilization is the earliest civilization in the world. It is 6,500 years old. Can you tell what were the earliest planned cities of ancient India? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, isn't it? Today we are going to study about the ancient towns of Tamilagam. They are Poompugar, Madurai and Kanchi. Shall we start? Like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in ancient India, there were famous towns in ancient Tamilagam too. Madurai, Kanchi and Poompugar are prominent among them. Tamil literature, accounts of foreign travelers and archaeological finds provide us information about the ancient towns of Tamilagam. Now we are going to see about Poompugar. Poompugar or Pugar is a port town that developed in the ancient times. It was an important port town of the Cholas. The famous epic Silappatikaram and Manimekalai make reference to this town. Apart from being a port town, Pugar was also an important trading center for sea trade. Traders from Rome and Greece reached Pugar by sea, and this led to the local interacting with the foreign traders, and there were culture exchange between them. The goods that were traded were horses, spices such as pepper, gold, sandalwood and some food items. Poompugar is one of the oldest towns in ancient Tamilagam. This is the place where well-known characters of Silappatikaram, Kovalan and Kannagi lived. Where did Kovalan and Kannagi lived? Kovalan and Kannagi lived in Poompugar. It was also a port town along the Bay of Bengal. The ports were established for facilitating maritime trade. Even in times past, countries began to export their surplus products and import the scarce commodities by sea. Poompugar is one such historic port that emerged in the wake of increasing maritime trade. It is a coastal town near the present-day Mayiladuthurai and is located where the river Kaveri drains into the sea. Poompugar was also known by names such as Pugar and Kaveri Pupattinam. One of the popular Sangam literature, Pattinapalai and Tamil epics Silappadigaram and Manimegalai have reference to the brisk sea-borne trade that took place in the port city Pugar. Okay dear children, we can learn more about this lesson in the next video. Thank you dear children. Learn well, do well.